powerful bottle washer capable of thoroughly cleaning up to 800 bottles per hour. Engineered to sterilize any type of container, regardless of its contents. A highly versatile design that effortlessly adapts to all types of customers, industries, and installations. Equipped with sustainable automated technology that requires less water, less energy, and less maintenance. Through continuous improvements, we provide our clients worldwide with sustainable solutions for themselves and for the planet. That's what we call clean innovation.